Hello. So in this video we are going to study subtraction related to fractions. In our previous videos in this series we have basics of fractions. So let's move. So this is my first question, that is 5 over 7 minus 1 over 7. So in these two fractions, in both we have a same denominator. So if we have a common denominator, that is very easy, no? We have done these things in addition also. So this is the same thing. What you have to do is you have to take the difference, or else you have to subtract the numerators only. So 5 minus 1 means that is 4. As the denominator is same, we will write the same denominator here. So that's it. Very easy. So I will do a similar kind example again, that is 10 over 21 minus 4 over 21. Okay, so again the denominator is common, right? So what is the common denominator here? Yes, that is 21. Then 10 subtract 4. Now what is the answer? Yes, that is 6. Okay, so this is the final answer. That is very easy. So we will move to the next type in subtraction of fractions. That is 5 over 12 minus 1 over 6. Okay. Now this question is little bit different because we don't have the common denominator here. We have 12 as one denominator and 6 as the other denominator. So we can multiply this 6 by 2 to take 12 now. So if we take 12 also in our right hand side, then the denominator is equal. We can get a common denominator. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator both by 2 because I have to make a common denominator, that is 12. Okay, so here I have again 5 over 12. That's the same thing. Here 1 times 2 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So now we have a common denominator, that is 12, and 5 minus 2. What is the answer? Yes, that is 3. Okay. So this is the answer. But there is a small problem here. If we can simplify a fraction, we have to keep the fraction in the simplest form. So this answer, as I can divide numerator and denominator both by 3, I have to divide them. Okay. For 3, how many 3's are there? 1. For 12, how many 3's are there? 4. So this is the simplest answer. That's it. You can note down anything you want. We will move to our fourth question now. That is 8 over 25 subtract 2 over 75. Okay. Now again we don't have a common denominator, but I can make 25 to 75 by multiplying which number? From which number I have to multiply? Yes, that is 3. Okay. Let's multiply the upper side and lower side by 3. So 8 times 3, what is the answer? That is 24 over 75 minus 2 over 75. Okay. Now we have a common denominator, that is 75. 24 minus 2 means, yes, that is 22. So this is the final answer. If we can simplify an answer which we have taken, then you have to simplify. But here, this question, I cannot simplify this one further. So this is the answer. Done. We are moving to our next question. That is a mixed number. 4 1 over 2 minus 1 1 over 2. So, if we have mixed numbers to subtract or addition, what we have to do first is we have to convert those mixed numbers into improper fractions. So, if you don't know how to convert a mixed number into improper fraction, I have done a separate video for that before. So, you can check that one. Okay. So, I'm going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction now. 2 times 4, that is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 2 minus 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 means 3 over 2. Now as we have a common denominator here, what we have to do is we can just subtract. Denominator is 2. 9 minus 3 means that is 6. Now I can divide both the sides by 2. Okay. 2 times 3, 2 times 1. So 3 over 1. That is a whole number. We can just write the answer as 3. If 1 is there in the denominator of any number, that is a whole number. You can write the whole number itself, but by not writing the 1 in the below. That's it. You can eliminate 1. Okay. So the last question I'm going to discuss under this one, that is 5 3 over 4 minus 2 1 over 2. Now in this question, you have all the things we have discussed yet. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to make this one into an improper fraction. Okay. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3, 23 over 4 minus 2 times 2 means 4. 4 plus 1, 5 over 2. Now, do we have a common denominator? No. So I have to multiply the right hand side by 2. To take a common denominator. Here I have 23 over 4 and here I have 10 over 4. So 23 minus 10 means, yes, that is 13. 13 over 4. Now the answer is an improper fraction. So can I keep this one as my last answer? No, I have to convert this one into a mixed number. So denominator is same, that is 4. For 13, how many 4s are there? 3. 1 is remaining. That's it. So, in this part, we have discussed how to do subtraction related to fractions. And in the next video, we are going to discuss multiplication of fractions. So, let's meet soon. Goodbye.